In this video, we will show you how to replace your seatbelt stopper. Let's get into it. Let's get started on our job. The first thing we want to do is make sure that you understand you need to be extremely careful not to damage the seatbelt in any way during the removal or installation process. Once you take this off of here and you remove it, you need to make sure you insert the new one into the exact same spot. It's very important. Now with that said, we'll carefully get in between this area with a trim tool and separate it. When it comes apart, be extremely careful, watch your eyes. Now looking at the seatbelt, we're just going to give it a quick inspection. You want to make sure it's not torn, worn, or damaged in any way. I can see the little hole where my new piece needs to go into. Assuming it looks good, let's get ready for our installation. Now for the installation, we're going to take the side of the pin that has the tab protruding through. We'll take it and put it through from the back side, through the same exact hole as we had removed the original. Should want to slide right through there. Once you have it through, continue on with the locking cap. Press it right on. Listen for a click. All right, as you can tell, we got it installed. It looks amazing. At this point, you can take that belt buckle, slide it right down into position, put it back against the truck. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.